Well, good morning, YouTube, and my 210 subscribers. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Yeah, I'm ready to get over there. Anyway, it's 5:04 in the a.m. on Friday, November 15th, 2024. Yeah, got to have a pretty good day with family yesterday. And got to find out that my cats made it to my friend's house, plumb over in Louisiana. Thank you. But I can tell you honestly, I got up this morning and I didn't even want coffee. I just wanted to go back to sleep. And I still haven't had coffee, and quite honestly, I am thinking about going back to sleep. I had a couple of long days back to back, so it is what it is. A little sad my cats are gone, Patches and Callie. Got a picture from my friend, and Patches sitting on his keyboard laptop. Apparently she seems to be the one that came out first. There was a whole lot of hissing and growling, and they weren't happy about the sudden change and being caged up for a very long time in carrying cases. So they went and hid for a while. Apparently they finally started calling it. Friend said they both drew blood. Now Patches, I might expect that from. She's always kind of the one that she only wants you when she wants you. Callie, on the other hand, she's usually, the one rubbing up on you and saying, hey, pet me, love on me. So to hear that she was so stressed out that she was growly, and yeah. Sorry about the blood, man. I have no control over those cats, even on a good day. But yeah, I do miss them. They weren't there to, wake me up and get me going. I kind of miss that. And they do that usually after I sleep in a little bit from my normal schedule. They know they knew my schedule, so pretty much, after about an hour of extra sleep, or two at the most, they're coming up, jumping into bed, starting to use me as part of the racetrack, for running around and doing their thing. Well, they weren't there. And yeah, I miss them. It is what it is, though. They got a good place to go, and he's got a bunch of cats to deal with. Hopefully his wife and the extra cats won't be an issue. But hey, once you hit 10, is 2 more anything? I mean, seriously? I don't know. Anyway, I hope they have a good life over there. I'm pretty sure they will. And got him back out the door and down the road with them. He had to stop off for a bit, so it took a little longer. Sadly, traveling, you start getting older, and you might get a good first day, and yeah, rest a little bit, but then you go and want to try do another second day, and it's like it catches up to you. So he had to make the 1-day trip here and a 2-day trip going home. I'll feel for him. I was sitting in the back seat, getting in and out of the back seat of my cousin's car, and yeah, it's not a very comfortable back seat. And my lower back does not like back seats. My lower back doesn't like, it doesn't like much of anything. So, it is what it is. But, time with family, and I enjoyed that. I got to, visit with them. I'm going to try to go back over. Got a niece showing up late tonight or early tomorrow morning, so I'll try to catch up with her probably Saturday or Sunday, so we'll see. It's always good to get to visit with family, and since everybody's got different plans for Thanksgiving, this is a good thing. We'll get pieces of it out of the way here and get to see and visit with people. And hey, I was in a bunch of different, went to Walmart, went to a restaurant, went to several Goodwills, and a couple of other places. One or two. I don't remember. All I know is I had fun. Even though my lower back was telling me nasties about that back seat, I had fun. And had social time with family. And a bit of time out and facing the public. That wasn't required. I could have ran away. But I'd rather spend time with family. So it's been a bit of a overload for the last few days, and today I still need to go and drop off my papers for my class and get that taken care of. Yay! I'll probably do that here about 4 hours or so. Go get that part done and get back here, go to sleep, and call it a day for, a day. I don't know. Hopefully, the new girl makes it through. They didn't call me last night, so either the boss had to do it, or she did it with him, or she did it by herself. I don't know. Guess I could call and find out, but yeah, we'll see. She should be there, not tonight, but tomorrow night. So, about 40 hours from now. But that's okay. We'll see. Anyway, I hope everybody has a blessed weekend and gets to go and enjoy time with family and friends, and have some fun shopping. I'm not real good at shopping for female clothes, especially little females, little girls. I don't know if she'll like what I got her or not. Hopefully she will. Hopefully she will, and then she'll enjoy them. Little blue jean denim vest. It's a little big for her, but she can grow into it. And then probably right out of it. Kids grow way too dang fast. You find them and they're this big. Next thing they're this big. Next thing they're this big. Next thing they're this... Oh, yeah. They grow fast. It's hard to keep track of how fast and how fast they change. But that's okay. I did see a couple things I think I might try to go get for her and her little brother. I don't know. Her little brother's going to be the easy one, A little dump truck that he can move things and haul dirt around. Because little boys like playing in the dirt. We're strange that way. Quite honestly, we prefer playing in the mud. But for some strange reason, a bunch of females get all upset at us about playing in the mud and want to act all crazy against us for having fun playing in the mud. And hey, some of us don't even outgrow it. Go out there and, go mudding through swamps and, throw dirt and mud everywhere and get everything covered. Our toys just get a lot bigger. Yeah. And I guess it was about 2 weeks ago I saw a dune buggy jump in the top of a dune and was like, oh, I remember doing that. Yeah. A lot of fun times. We grow up. Anyway, got to talk to my family, and I've got all the phones on. Oh, crud, did that again. Oh, no, what? Okay. Got all the phone numbers for this side of the family there. I still got a few of the outliers, but pretty much the direct family is all on here. And that's a good thing. Because I can tell you, this one yesterday got so bad while we were trying to eat that I literally turned the volume off, and then I was getting notifications for other things, and I finally just literally shut it off, powered it down, and put it away. Because it was getting to be too dang annoying. It was taking away from time with family, and I didn't like that. I think next time I'll just leave it in the car. Not like I need it, especially with most of the phone calls I'm getting on that thing are that's right, spam. I guarantee you 90% or more is spam, and I'm tired of it. It's ridiculous. I understand the Philippines has anti-spamming stuff that actually works, or at least mostly works. We'll see. All I know is I'm dead tired of having to deal with spam, especially when most of it is something they think's important. Here, we want to give you Obamacare. Let us annoy you all year round for Obamacare because you need Obamacare. So we're going to call you 10 times a day. Even after you get Obamacare, we're still going to take and pester you to make sure you get more Obamacare. Yeah. Needless to say, I'm really not happy with that crap. But yeah, it is what it is. All I know is trying to get things figured out. I need to throw a little money to cover the bills I created yesterday. Get them took care of. Don't want to have them showing up on my credit card getting interest. So I need to get them off there real quick. I'm trying to keep it to just the one credit card that has a balance. And I'm trying to get that one whittled down as fast as I can. So yeah. I got that going pretty good. It's just, yeah. I really wish credit cards weren't a thing. I wish I was independently wealthy. But I'm not. So I try to make sure I take care of things the best I can. And yeah, keep the ones that I use for just hit and pay it, and then make sure they stay zeroed, and get the other one and keep it going down. The lower the lower I get that thing, the better it is. Because hey, interest rates on credit cards are ridiculous. Wish I hadn't got into that one, but had some things that came up that needed to get taken care of. Them brakes are going to end up costing me more than what I originally, what they originally quoted, but simply because of interest. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm getting that stuff paid off as fast as I can. I need more sleep. That or I need to go and hit the coffee. I'm not sure which at this point. I probably should go hit the coffee. But I really do want to go back to sleep. The batteries got drained pretty hard yesterday and the day before and the day before. So, my batteries are running on empty. Well, maybe not empty, but they ain't got much more than about a third of a charge. Nowhere near a half. And if you know anything about batteries, getting down below a half is not really that good. Yes, they still function, but yeah, they don't function right or as well as they could. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to flip a coin and decide whether I go back to bed or go get coffee. Yeah, I know. That's a hell of a way to make a decision for how your day is going to go. Some days you just need to take a bit of relaxation and recover. Yeah. Some days you just need a day of rest. So, I hope your work week has been an easy one. I hope that you get a whole lot of enjoyable time with friends and family and a lot of good food for your weekend. I hope you have a blessed day. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Thank you for subscribing, hitting the like button, and commenting. Missed a few comments. Haven't seen as much here the last few days. Please comment. Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.